guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For the ones who are new to my channel, hi, I'm Asta and this is my channel. You must already be knowing what exactly I'm doing today. That's by the title, and that is the crush quiz. The quiz crush. The challenge for the crushes. So basically, you must already have seen people doing the quiz crush, where they make a Google form and they have like this survey which they send to the crushes, to all their crushes, and the crushes are supposed to fill that survey and kind of like answer back. So I had sent it to all my crushes, including like my first childhood crush to my current. So I have sent it to all of them. Also, I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to mention their names because obviously that's like, no. I have given nicknames to each one, so they will be called by that particular name. And yeah, let's get started. So the whole survey kind of displayed in the form of questions. So the first statement which popped up in their screen was obviously really awkward, and it was like, oh, that's so embarrassing. Like, and it stated, "Hi, if you have received this, then I had a crush on you at some point in life," and that statement is embarrassing. Like, they were like, I sent this to like 8 guys and 7 replied, and out of 7 I think 5 of them did not know that I actually had a crush on them or something like that. So it was so embarrassing. Okay, so then there was this whole cute statement: "Please answer the questions honestly. I would appreciate you being chill and taking the survey. Thanks." So that was the whole statement, and it looked like that. So then the questions went on something like this. First started with the name, then where do I know you from? Did you know I like you? If you knew I liked you, how could you tell? Did you ever like me back? So rate my attractiveness. So basically rate my attractiveness had like two ends, 1 to 10. That 1 stands for not my type and the 10 was for you're cute. So yeah, then there was rate my personality. That was even 1 to 10, and the 1 stood for awful and the 10 stood for cool. You're cool. Then quality that stands out about me. Then what terms are we on? What terms are we on also stood up into like 1 to 2, 1 to 10. So 1 was like only terms of communication was liking each other's pictures, and 10 was we are chill, like we talk a bit. Then how awkward is this also had 2 sides. That was, one was it's no big deal, and the other was this was awful. And the last question was anything you would like to tell my subscribers. So those were the questions, and now I'm going to go about with the first guy number 1, crush number 1. So the nickname is Ghansham because he himself wrote his name as Ghansham, but I know who this person is obviously because yeah. Where do I know you from? He chose the last option, other, I guess through our parents now. So I'm like, yes, we did. So we kind of like, no, we actually kind of like met through a mutual group of friends in like a Facebook group, and yeah, we did meet there. Parents were like the secondary source. We did not really know each other's parents, that we didn't know that our parents were like in touch or something, but yeah, so that was one. Then, did you know I like you? He's like, yes. If you knew I liked you, how could you tell them how you told me? Yes, I did. Did you ever like me back? Yes. I mean, awkward. Okay. Rate my attractiveness. So in the whole poll, he gave me like about a 9. So that's like, you're cute. I'm shy. Okay. Rate my personality. He gave me a 9 again. That means I'm cool. Huh. Quality that stands out about me is friendly, maybe. It's like a maybe, so maybe. What terms are we on? It's 10, of course. And how, like 10 because we talk often. We talk like almost every day, but not every day. We talk often. How awkward is this? 2, not a big deal. Anything you would like to tell my subscribers? Subscribe to our channel, help her grow, so maybe in future I can feature in her videos and become famous also. Lol. I mean, he's such a liar. I already asked him to shoot a video with me and he was like, first you become famous and then I'll shoot with you. Like, come on. I was like, okay. So this guy, I've known like him for like about few years, 4-5 years. 4-5 years, and we've been really good friends, we've been really close friends. I'm saying his nickname, okay? So this nickname is Charlie. So basically what he had to say was, so he's basically he was my first childhood crush, so you kind of get it right, like first childhood crush. So yeah, he was my first childhood crush. So where do I know you from? Like, he was like the proper crush, like an eye candy kind of a thing. Not exactly crush, but like an eye candy, you know, like eye candy. Where do I know you from? He chose the other, that's neighborhood. Did you know I like you? He said maybe. How did you know? How would you know on this whole planet? I didn't make that obvious, come on. If you knew I liked you, how could you tell? Don't know. See, I told you, you did not know. Did you ever like me back? Maybe. Yeah, I mean, that's cool, I guess. Rate my attractiveness, he gave me an 8. Rate my personality, he gave me a 9. Quality that stands out about me, he said sociable. I think I get this so much. What terms are we on? 6. Yeah, we've not spoken since a long time. Like, this after when I sent him the crush thing, like obviously it was damn awkward because like it had been years we hadn't spoken to each other or seen each other. So it's like, yeah, we hadn't spoken to each other. How awkward is this? He chose 9. So that is, I think he got pretty awkward by this, and I'm so sorry, Charlie, I made you so awkward, but I kind of didn't think it would be that awkward, but I'm so sorry. That person was, I'm giving it a nickname. I can say KR. So where do I know you from? He says high school. Did you know I like you? He says no, because obviously he didn't know. If you knew I like you, how could you tell? More interaction. Duh. I mean, I spoke to you like very rarely, so yeah, actually, yeah, that makes sense. Did you ever like me back? Maybe. Okay. Rate my attractiveness, he gave me an 8. Rate my personality, he gave me a 7. Quality that stands out about me, your talent for singing, I guess. What terms are we on? He gave me a 1. Yeah, like, I think that's the only thing we do, like, since I left high school, it's been a year, I guess. It's been almost a year and a half, and we haven't spoken. So how awkward is this? He says it's 6. Anything you would like to tell my subscribers? Penguins and necrophiliacs. So yeah, so basically this guy was like my senior. He was in 12th when I was in 11th. But it was like an eye candy, obviously. I don't exactly remember how this crush or eye candy thing started. So I'll name him Modi because he's mentioned Modi. Where do I know you from? He says high school. Did I know you? Did you know I like you? He says maybe. Come on, you didn't. Okay, please. No one did. Like literally no one. If you knew I like you, how could you tell? Could smell women pheromones. Did you ever like me back? He says maybe. Rate my attractiveness, he gives me a 6. That's fine. Rate my personality, he gives me a 6 again. This guy hates me. Quality that stands out about me, he says big ass eyes. Yes, I do have huge ass eyes. Like, terms are we on? He says 5. Yes, we don't talk that much. Like, we barely talk. How awkward is this? He says no big deal. 1. Anything you would like to tell my subscribers? He says only fans coming soon. Hope so, hopefully. Actually, I don't want fans or something. It's more like I want friends who support me throughout this journey. Decent. So yeah, this guy, I met him in high school, and he was in my same, he was in the same batch, he was in the same stream, he was in 11th, not in the same class. I think, no, in 12th we were in the same class. I think in 11th we were in the same class, same section I meant. It was like a general crush. It was sweet, simple and short. So no one knew about it. It was just like me. So the next one is, the next crush is his nickname I would give Ben 10, because he is in Ben 10. I the whole thing. Okay. Where do I know you from? He says high school. Did you know I like you? He says yes. Hey, come on. When I sent you the message, you were like shocked. Come on, you lie. This is a total lie. If you knew I like you, how could you tell? I had a tingle in my DNA. Hey, come on. I didn't even show like anything. Did you like me back? He says kinda. Rate my attractiveness 8. Rate my personality 8. Quality that stands out about me: you have gorgeous hair and eyes. Anyway, what terms are we on? He says 7. How awkward is this? No big deal. 1. Anything you would like to tell my subscribers? Well. I think I should keep this message to myself and I should not pass it on to my subscriber. Yeah, so yeah, this guy, I met him in like high school only, and he was in the commerce stream as far as I remember. Yeah, he was in the commerce stream. He was, I barely saw him, but in the first time when I saw him, he was like this eye candy, good looking guy. Oh, like, you know, a thumbs up for sure. But yeah, so he was dating after like few months, so I was just like over it. I was like, okay, better luck next time. I just forgot it. So yeah, that was like one of the high school days. I think I had all my crushes in high school, because obviously there were like only 2 of them whom I like met in my old school. I was in a convent, I was in a girls' school, so I did not have boys, and I was so shy from boys. I used not talk. I didn't have guy friends that time, so I was like, I kind of like made guy friends in high school. So I think that was the whole shift from there to have like crushes. So those were the crushes which I've had in my whole entire life of 19 years, and yeah, pretty much no one knew actually. I think many of them knew, but many of them didn't know, so the answers were pretty awkward, I guess. I mean, that was the video, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please do subscribe to my channel, do hit the thumbs up, and also do hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. Just a basic crush thing. So I think few of you must have already figured out who that person was with that nickname. So if you did, please ask the guy, don't ask me. It just gets more awkward for me.